Hello and Assalamualaikum. Today we want to present about data structure project. Our project is Golden Screen Cinema. We use a release for our project. We from group 6. Next. This is our team members, which is me, Rajana Amira Balkis, Nurina Amani, Rabiatul Adawiyah, and Putra Aiman Firdaus. Next. This is our content. For our content, we have application title, description, how the application works, describe the data organization, demonstrate the use of the data structure operation using illustration, the algorithm, conclusion, and summary. Next. This is our application title, Golden Screen Cinema. Next. For description, Golden Screen Cinema is a popular movie theatre chain in Malaysia with over 14 locations across the country. The GSC app allows users to easily book movie ticket, browse showtime, and view information about the latest movies. Users can choose their preferred cinema location, movie showtime, and seat selection, all from the comfort of their mobile device. The app also offers features such as movie trailer review and rating to help users make informed dedication about what movie to watch. Overall, the Golden Screen Cinema app is a must-have for anyone who loves movie and want a hassle-free way to book ticket and stay up to date on the latest cinematic release and event in Malaysia. Next, how the application works. Browse movie. User can view the list of movie currently showing at JSC along with their details. Select showtime. Users can choose a specific showtime for the movie they want to watch. Next. Choose seat. User can select their desired seat from the available option in the cinema hall. Book ticket. User can book ticket by providing their personal information and making the necessary payment. View booking detail. User can check their booking details, including movie name, showtime, seat number, and total cost. Next, I will pass to the Rabiatul.
Describe the data organization or storage pattern that influence the selection of specific data structure that you have selected in that particular application. Movie information storage. An array list is used to store the details of movies currently showing in the cinema. Each movie is represented by an object that contains attributes like title, genre, duration, etc. The array list allows for dynamic resizing and efficient retrieval of movie information. Showtime selection. When a user selects a movie, an array list is used to store the available showtimes for that particular movie. Each showtime is represented as an element in the array list, providing easy access and modification of showtime options. I pass to Amani. Next.
Next is seat availability. An array list is used to represent the seating arrangement in the cinema hall. Each seat is represented by an element in the array list. The availability of seats can be easily tracked by maintaining a separate list of booked seats. User bookings. The booking information for each user is stored in an array list. Each booking is represented by an object that contains details such as movie showtime, seat numbers, and payment information. The array list allows for efficient retrieval, modification, and deletion of user bookings. Next. So use illustration or animation to demonstrate the use of data structures of operation. First is initialize an array list by show an empty array list to store the selected movie tickets. Next. Second is add movies to the array list. The addition of movies to the array list using the add method. Third is display available movies and select a movie. Show the retrieval of movie names from the array list using the get method based on the user's selection and display them. Next, for book seats, show the booking of seats for the selected movie using the set method. Next, display book seats, show the retrieval of book seats from the array list using the get method and display. Next, cancel booking. Remove the cancellation of the book seat from the array list using the remove method if the user decides to cancel the booking. Lastly, display available and book seats. Show the updated available using the set method and book seats after cancellation. So I will pass to Putra.
So for the next one, we go to the algorithm. There's browse movies. Step 1, log in your GSE account to get exclusive privileges. Step 2, browse the selection of movies available. Next, the running time and estimate the efficiency of the algorithm. The running time, the number of seats chosen, internet speed, how quickly the application responds, and the payment method chosen are some of the variables that affect how long it takes to place an order on GSE. The efficiency, the algorithm is effective since it simplifies buying tickets from a kiosk. GSE user-friendly design, range of restaurants, and payment options make the procedure quick and simple for users. Next, to conclude the findings in the previous slide, in general, if a GSE app is well designed, performance optimized, and have a robust server infrastructure, it should function fast and smoothly, allowing users to order tickets quickly and easily. It's also worth noticing that user experience may differ based on device, internet connection, and other external circumstances. Users of GSE app can order tickets from a variety of branches with a simple few touches on their smartphones or tablets. This reduces the need to visit different branches or stand in long lines, making ticket ordering more convenient. To summarize, the GSE app efficiency and running time are dependent on a variety of parameters, and it is advisable to access its performance depending on these factors based user personnel, experience, and user patterns. Next, I'll pass to Rabia Torawir.
We have concluded that a dynamic array is used by the array list class to store its elements, for example, movie information storage, showtime selection, seating availability, and user bookings, similar to an array, but with no size restrictions. At any time, we can add or remove components, in this case, available movie showing, with posters and titles and the seating plan inside the cinema hall, which seat is available and which seat is booked. As a result, it is significantly more adaptable than a conventional array. The chosen data structure is a data structure that is dynamic in size, with changeable length. If necessary, it can resize itself as per number of elements. It is similar to the one on ticket kiosk, but it's on mobile device and can be done whenever the customers want with just a few clicks, compared to the confusing and lagging interface of the actual ticket kiosk. Next, I pass to summarize. We did a project on a movie ticketing application that can make the whole booking ticket and browsing available movies a lot easier. Waiting and queuing at the cinema lobby before the ticket machine and concession counters can be difficult for people who have social anxiety or fear of getting their credit or debit cards stuck at the cinema ticketing kiosk or machine, which, if it happens, they have to find the workers there to help them get their card back while the time is running out. That's all from us. Thank you.